Welcome to Royal Carriages. My name is Talitha. I'll be your guide today. Right behind me, these are mules, and a mule is a cross between a female horse and typically with these mulesy sizes, a mammoth donkey. Mules for us are the best option. They're heat tolerant, they're stronger, endurance is certainly a factor, and these carriages really are not that heavy for them to pull. At Royal Carriages, we started in 1941. That started with one horse. We did not use mules into the 1980s, but we started here at this facility, but we only was renting one stall at that time. Now we have an entire complex. It is named after Bernard de Marigny, who is pretty much a teenager when he inherits a very vast fortune, actually one of the largest for Louisiana history. And he will start subdividing this when he's in kind of his later teen years. You'll notice that it has really wild, funky colors, more so than the French Quarter does. The Marigny is known to be, at least historically speaking, very diverse. This is where a lot of Spanish, Italian, Haitians would come in the 1800s. And so they'll be encouraged, and even still today encouraged, to paint your house in whatever funky colors that you can put. As many on them as you want. So you don't have to choose just 5, you could choose 50. This house here on my left-hand side is the oldest surviving house of the Marigny. It's 1806. Unlike the French Quarter that was very restrictive on what you could or could not tear down, the Marigny was less so, and so this house is the only evidence from those early years. This is the Charles Laveau house, also known as the Marie Laveau childhood home. Marie Laveau is quite well known here in New Orleans. She was a free woman of color, very devoutly Catholic, but also becomes the queen of voodoo.